Screen.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Discovery Gemstone Dig. So let's get started and unboxing it. This is the paper you put it on. No, this is a big paper. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. And kids, make sure to use the protection goggles if you while doing this. So here's the chisel. Here's the wooden mallet. Here's the paintbrush. Oh, these things are hard to get out. Oh, finally. This is the ceramics straight plate. Oh, goodness. I think that if you have scissors, make sure to cut safely to not hurt anybody.
And there's a rare one on the map, I think. Or a glue stuff. It's not on the box, but it's on this little paper.
It's a fun fact.
Oh, fun fact.
And make sure to have it like where the logo is pointing up, like this. Ooh.
Chisel.
So chisel. It said to hold the chisel in your non-dominant hand and hold the wooden mallet in your dominant hand. So let's start to chip it away. Ooh. Oh, and make sure to not hit it so hard to not hit it really hard.
So if there's any, so you don't break it.
Oh, that was a big piece. Put it right here. This is a good activity if you're bored and you want to do something cool. Oh.
Wait, I said,
Okay. Oh! Oh my goodness, that's a really big piece. I don't think it has any, but yeah, it doesn't have any.
Fun facts. I'm putting the X's on fun facts.
Oh, that one fell.
So I'll be not happy.
Yeah.
Everything's so blurry now.
Oh, we finally found one.
Sometimes when I'm so excited, I tell somebody, can I go outside and scream?
Oh, I thought they were all in the middle.
Yeah, me too. I said
Now we gotta be really careful.
Can I look at that?
see it. Ooh. I'm nervous.
Don't let
Like it's time to. Let me see. It's right there.
Okay.
And make sure you have like your brother or sister or maybe a parent to help you like
It's
hold
under.
this down, because you might because it might like start to like pick up.
No.
Oh. Get onto the side. This is a big mess. And make sure to clean up after this.
Yeah.
Oh, this is very messy. And you might
And
need,
this is just one of the 11.
as I was saying, you might need a brother, sister, parent, aunt, or whoever with you to hold the little block down, just in case it might like start to come up and you like break it. Because you don't have 3 hands, you only have 2 hands. Well, you might have 4 hands if you have somebody helping you.
Oh.
Oh.
It just came out once I did it. Look at that.
Oh.
Dude, I want to see it with a mine.
Oh.
Oh my goodness, this big of a piece revealed another one.
Holy cow.
Right there in the side. Oh, that's... We're making a lot of progress.
eyeglasses.
Oh,
Well, when Hayden puts in goggles up, it looks like he's a scientist. Only if he has like the white little outfits. I'm on to testing out this one.
Oh, it just wiggled itself out.
Hooray. Hooray, hooray.
Our
we
second
did it, we
one.
did it.
Oh, starting to get to the middle.
It looks like it had water on it. Oh, is that another one?
Put them on
We
the-
found 3. What we think?
Wait, is that 2?
We found 4.
We found 2 in the same place.
Logan. Yeah.
We found 2. So there's one right here, that black thing, and there's one like right here. Y'all barely can see it, but it's round and it's clear. Now we're starting to get to the exciting part. Oh, it's wiggling.
Like a tooth.
We will for sure. Let's see it.
Come on, come out, buddy. Come on.
Hopefully we find
I
Hayden.
know he wants to. He's
Hayden.
coming.
You gotta get.
It's like a wiggly tooth.
No.
Stop.
Hopefully we get this
That
pink and
another
purple
one?
one.
I think that's another one. That corner piece
I
of
knew them were going to be in the middle. I knew it.
Come on.
Chomping on something, but he was trying to get this half of a tooth out, and my dad said that it more
This
than one
one's
tooth,
cool.
and we looked everywhere for it.
This one's like black and gray.
Ooh.
See, that one's cool. See, look at that one.
Mm-hmm.
That one's cool.
Well, these are my favorite colors: black and white and gray.
Safety goggles on. Safety goggles on.
What's this one?
Yeah, we found 2. Oh, 3. You see that green one? It's like right in there. It's hiding.
In the face.
Oh, that's a baby. Oh, it's like purple. Whoa, look at that like line.
It's
Like-
kind of like the
Oh, that's
this
pretty
one.
color.
Only if it had a little bit of pink.
That's a pretty color. Look at the damage. Oh. Okay,
I'm gonna pass out.
look at
For real.
Don't do that here. It's short.
dude. I saw it. It was like it cracked like right there. I saw a crack right there, and then once I pulled it off, it was. Oh, yeah.
We found 2.
They just keep on coming. Oh, this is a pretty
there's
green.
3. There's
It's
3.
like it's like an aqua. We're starting to get some left and right.
I think I found another one.
This
Then.
one's
Further.
Okay, stop.
I think we'll play them.
Wait, that one?
Whoa. That one.
That looks like a big one.
Now I need to check these all out to see if there's any like stuff on them and stuff.
Oh, wait. Ooh. Okay, this one. It's an easy wiggly tooth.
Short.
Oh my. This was the one we got. It's like a whitish clear. Oh. Oh. Wait. Wait. I didn't touch it yet. I didn't touch it. I didn't touch it. Oh. It's almost like the same one as this. But just like this is the new one we got. It's more like flat. This one's more like bumpy. Here's a black one.
Oh, it might be this one. It might be the same as this one, kind of. It might be the same as this one.
Wait, where's the instructions? Wait, this one. Oh, it is. It looks like the snowflake obsidian. Whew. This is really fun. Yeah, I think it is the snowflake one.
I'm going to
Yeah,
start
it looks
on
like the
red one.
snowflake obsidian. Oh my. Oh, my hand. There might not be any more in this one. Goodness. Oh, my hand.
If you find the
Holy,
last
look how
one,
much stuff. Oh, oh, my hand needs to break.
that one.
Where?
Got it.
That's 10.
I hit it right in the same spot. My goggles. Can't stop.
There. You want me to do it?
No.
Don't
I think I got some of my eye.
put your glasses back on.
No.
We
I'm gonna take a break. Here you go, Hayden. Don't forget safety goggles. Don't forget safety goggles. I'm gonna let Hayden do it because my eyes and arms hurt in my hands. I'm gonna go find a dog.
Let the professional do it. There we go.
Last one.
Last one, Logan already found it.
Put it in.
For the last one. Dun dun dun.
Turquoise.
It's the turquoise. We go. Comment down below which one is your favorite.
I'll give this a 10 out of 10, but it was loud and messy. The messy part, I'll give a 9 right there. The messy part, I'll give a 0 out of 10.
Come on.
And then for the loud part, I'll give it a 0 out of 10 too. But this whole entire thing, I'll give it a 10 out of 10.
Comment down below which one is your favorite. My favorite is the snowflake obsidian.
I like the
It
blue
looks really
one.
cool, and I like I think it's blue turquoise. Yeah, it's blue
Yeah, I like blue
turquoise.
too.
Yeah, and the amethyst is also a really cool one too. Oh wait, I forgot. I got more amethyst. Don't need that anymore. And these are the real amethyst ones.
Is this one Uncle David gave you?
Yeah, and here's a really clear one. Our uncle actually gave us some of these. Can I show him my really cool one? This is also the real one he gave me.
Tell him who gave it to you.
Uncle David, our Uncle David, he gave me this. Oh, this is heavy.
What kind of stone is that? Citrine?
Yeah, it was a citrine. He got it for me once I hit I think once he was at my baseball game and I hit a home run. Goodness, this thing is heavy. I gotta go put this back. He also gave me some more for Christmas. He gave me this one. Oh, it got like spider webs.
Let me see.
It got like one of them thing. It got.
You know what that one is?
What?
Crystal quartz.
Oh yeah, and this is a fossil.
Go to crystal quartz at first.
Oh.
You were doing that.
Here's the crystal quartz. Oh, my eyes always hurt once I look at this.
It's like a bug.
And then this is a fossil of something. I forgot what it was called.
Scorpion.
I don't know.
Then,
Oh yeah.
well, I really
And
like
then
that
I
one.
have this one.
It looks like the earth, kind of.
It's something with wood. We learned this in third grade.
Petrified wood.
Yeah, petrified wood.
Sure.
And then one time
Wow.
when Hayden was at the beach, somebody gave him to him a shirt and a rock.
Yeah, yeah. Uncle David also gave me a shark tooth, and a fossil.
And then he gave.
No, I found this one outside.
Okay.
So we gotta put this. Yeah, it's in a shoebox that's double in boxes so it doesn't get messed up.
And we can actually make one.
That's the next video.
Watch. One day we're going to make a video of this. So stay tuned. Bye. Bye. Make sure to subscribe to Hayden's and Logan's channel. Bye. And Hayden's and Logan's channel. And Logan's and Hayden's channel. I'll hold some. Bye, Rock Collection.